Good morning, friends. Is it true what they say that health is wealth? That's the thought that is going around, and I tend to agree. Take a moment to understand and appreciate how wealthy you are. Take a deep breath and count to 4. Do it twice. And I go. I feel the life that is within me, and so you can as well. If you have something to eat and work to do to sustain yourself, then you're much more wealthy than many laying in a hospital or in a state of some kind of destitution. Do help if you can, but know for sure that if you breathe life day by day and find yourself sustained according to the sufficiency given to you by the Creator, you know that you're quite wealthy. As day by day you're sustained and you can produce and you can advance and you can live up to your incredible potential. So this is Thursday morning, and have a great day, and may the Lord be with you. Bye for now.